Today we discuss a diet plan. Can you lesson about Mediterranean diet? Today we discuss how we can lose weight with Mediterranean diet plan. Today video is amazing. Let's start. Diets aren't just for weight loss. While changing your diet can be one of the best ways to lose weight, it can also be a gateway to improving your habits, focusing on your health, and leading a more active lifestyle. Yet the sheer number of available diet plans may make it difficult to get started. Different diets will be more suitable, sustainable, and effective for different people. Some diets aim to curb your appetite to reduce your food intake, while others suggest restricting your intake of calories in either carbs or fat. Some focus more on certain eating patterns and lifestyle changes, rather than on limiting certain foods. The Mediterranean diet has long been considered the gold standard for nutrition, disease prevention, wellness, and longevity. This is based on its nutrition benefits and sustainability. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, fish, nuts, lentils, olive oil, foods such as poultry, eggs, and dairy products are to be eaten in moderation, and red meats are limited. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet limits refined grains, trans fats, processed meats, added sugar, other highly processed foods. Health benefits. This diet's emphasis on minimally processed foods and plants has been associated with a reduced risk of multiple chronic diseases and increased life expectancy. Studies also show that the Mediterranean diet has a preventive effect against certain cancers. Though the diet was designed to lower heart disease risk, numerous studies indicate that its plant-based, high unsaturated fat dietary pattern can also aid in weight loss. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet encourages eating plenty of antioxidant-rich foods, which may help combat inflammation and oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals. Recent studies have also found that the Mediterranean diet is associated with decreased risk of mental disorders, including cognitive decline and depression. Eating less meat is also associated with a more sustainable diet for the planet. Downsides: since the Mediterranean diet does not put a big emphasis on dairy products, it's important to make sure you still get enough calcium and vitamin D in your diet. If you have questions, comment please that I will answer in next video. Thank you. Subscribe my channel if you like my video.